Hi, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to see close-in sizing details. So firstly, you need to open Shein on your device, and then you need to open the item you want to purchase. Let's say I want to order this cute top. So I need to firstly click on whatever size. It doesn't matter if it's yours. You just need to click, and then appears product measurement section. Click on it, and here it is displayed a size guide, and here you can see all the measurements of this specific clothing item. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave the thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.